Ramadan. So today we're heading to hiking down to the river Krupa to this bridge called Kudin Most. Most just means bridge. Kuda was this guy at the turn of the 18th century. He built like a 100-meter long stone bridge for his girlfriend. And for the rest of history, he made all other boyfriends look bad. So I don't know. I don't think I can build a 100-meter long bridge. It would take me a while. Anyway, so join us on this outdoor adventure on this surprisingly warm February day.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Hello!
Hey there.
Maybe that'll be my catchphrase from now on. Kinda has been already. Anyways. Now to get to this place, you're gonna have to like hire a private tour, or you have to drive here obviously. It's kind of off the tourist path, so most of these people are locals. We're not the only people out here today.
Hopefully we will be.
And there's the bridge. You can see there's also maybe you might be able not to see it, but you can see there's like a footpath leading up from the other side. So the whole reason he built the bridge is so his girlfriend, had a way, easier way across the river. And you see all these waterfalls in Croatia. It's like a natural phenomenon. Like the way the limestone erodes over time, it creates these crazy beautiful waterfalls. Anyways, get a shot when we're down there. And there's no like entrance fee or anything. Like some places on the national parks, you'll have like a couple $1 entrance fee. I mean, during tourist season, you'll have it's kind of expensive to go to parks around here, but really, just Croatia is the most beautiful country in the world, and if you don't agree, you've just never been to Croatia. And we have made it to fucking Narnia. Croatia really is Narnia, man. The beauty of this place, man, like as you can see, there's like no trash around here, so if you come here and you find it, don't throw your trash. But I mean, the beauty of this country is just unmatched. It gives you like, it just gives you like this feeling, like, I don't know how to describe it, but if you see something like super beautiful and like you just like you're taken aback, it's like I don't know, man, I get that feeling a lot out here. Anyways, we're just gonna sit down and have ourselves a romantic ass picnic. So until next time,
Bye.
vidimos.
Bye.
Go, look. No, dobar dan. Ti si.
Be careful.
I get my
They
head
might-
picked.